That's why you protected Haji Chigongo, because of seniority. But now you are saying, Rebecca Kadaga, you get out. Really? Your Excellency, I find this unacceptable. I'm not going to take any other position. I'm the incumbent, and I say this is my position until I'm voted out. I have been a member of this party since inception. I started as the chairman of LC1 in 1999 in my village in Bulamuti. I moved to LC2, out the National Students Council. I've never been to any other party. So all my life, I've been a member of NRM. When you are filling the form, expression of interest, you are asked, what have you done for the NRM in the last 10 years? Those are the guidelines. We have not changed them. The person aspiring to this office has only worked for 3 years for the NRM. Whether she was doing work independent, that's your business. But for the NRM, she has only worked for 3 years. That just a few years ago, I was publicly humiliated in this country. Publicly humiliated the way I was removed from the office of the Speaker. I took it in good stride, continued doing my work. But I'm being followed. How much more can you press an individual?
Right Honorable Kadaga needs to correct the idea that anybody is hunting her. Because there's nobody who's hunting you. Because that's what she said, that somebody was hunting her. This is not correct. And also, it is not correct for you to try to involve my people, the Basoga. To try to give the impression that you are, if it's not you, if not you, Basoga are not there. This is not correct. And I have had references to that issue, but I keep quiet. I am a man who keeps quiet. I am the one who revenged for William Nadiope by defeating Yamin, by defeating the UPC who put Nadiope in prison. Who else did anything for Nadiope? Basoga people were killed.
And I can tell you, when Honorable Late Olanya stood and the SEC members approved Late Honorable Olanya for the position of the Speaker, the people who are saying they are old, senior, and respect the party walked out of the party and stood independent. Is that love for the party? The notion of saying Anita is new. Yes, I am new, but I come with new ideas and new vibrancy. The mobilization that I am doing for this party, I can have over 10 members of parliament here that I have brought from opposition to NRM, and here they are.
That's why you protected Haji Chigongo.